The sky over Ukraine is no longer just an empty space. It has transformed into a living, dynamic, and ruthless organism where seconds decide the fate of the battlefield. Modern warfare is changing right before our eyes, shattering old military doctrines and creating entirely new rules of the game in real time. At the very center of this global technological revolution stands the unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. Drones have undergone a lightning-fast evolution, shifting from simple surveillance tools into a fully independent, dominant branch of warfare that dictates the terms of engagement. In this conflict, the Ukrainian drone fleet has created a unique ecosystem where technological flexibility and rapid decision-making completely neutralize the enemy's numerical advantage. The first and most critical stage of this aerial revolution was the total elimination of tactical camouflage. With long-range reconnaissance wings and multi-rotor copters patrolling the sky around the clock, the front line has become entirely transparent. Any enemy movement is noticed instantly, and every static position is digitally mapped. These silent eyes in the sky function as intelligent hubs, instantly feeding precise target coordinates into fire control systems. Any attempt by the adversary to accumulate forces for an assault is intercepted at the deployment stage, as drones expose the formation of every single column. However, the true terror for enemy armor and logistics lies within strike drone systems. Heavy quadcopters operating at night have turned darkness into an absolute hunting season. Equipped with modern thermal imaging and heavy custom munitions, they methodically dismantle tanks, artillery, and fortified dugouts from angles no one expects. Parallel to this, the massive deployment of high-speed, highly maneuverable FPV kamikaze drones has created an impenetrable aerial barrier. Guided by skilled pilots wearing digital goggles, these kinetic weapons chase down off-road motorcycles, fly directly into the open hatches of armored vehicles, and neutralize assault infantry before they can even reach the defensive lines. This rapid dominance forced a fierce race in the realm of electronic warfare, EW. When the enemy deployed massive jamming systems to sever the radio link between pilot and machine, Ukrainian engineers responded with groundbreaking autonomy. The battlefield welcomed smart drones powered by onboard artificial intelligence and computer vision. Once a pilot locks onto a target, the machine's internal brain takes over. Even if intense EW jamming completely wipes out the video feed, the drone autonomously calculates its flight path and tracks the moving object until a precise impact. Furthermore, the introduction of fiber optic controlled drones, which trail an ultra-thin physical cable through the air, allows pilots to completely ignore radio interference and strike deep inside the enemy's most heavily jammed electronic domes. Today, the battle for aerial dominance has expanded beyond ground strikes into a full-scale war for the micro-sky. Drone versus drone dogfights have become a regular occurrence, with Ukrainian interceptor drones hunting down fast Russian reconnaissance wings at high altitudes, successfully blinding enemy artillery. This entire technological fleet operates under a single, unyielding philosophy: let machines fight instead of humans. Every successful flight, every neutralized asset, and every blocked enemy movement means saved lives for the soldiers on the ground. Ukrainian drones have permanently rewritten the history of warfare, proving that the future belongs to intelligence, innovation, and those who rule the sky.